welcome to again my YouTube channel. Guys, security VPN survey available now. So I will be completely helping to you how to complete to be this survey. So just I request you be end of watching this video and completely watching this video. Okay, let's start now. First of all, you online shopping now? Yes. uh, what do you thinking a cyber criminal can steal personal information? All answer the question correct now. Okay, what do you use to protect your computer? So uh, what do you use to protect your computer? Antivirus. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for you always supporting me and like my video. Thank you so much for your support to me. Love you guys. Thank you.